to test new tags or new layout or any kinds of experiment that you would like to try, we would normally recommend starting on a staging site first. Now, how do you even begin choosing a test page? I would recommend going to your analytics account, go to behavior, under site content, click on all pages, and you will see the different pages or URLs in here. Now, you can choose any URL that doesn't really get a lot of traffic with very, very few page views and use that. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to target that test page to test new set of tags using Advanced Ads plugin. On your WordPress account, go to Advanced Ads and click on Ads. Click on New Ad. Give your ad tag a name, something that is descriptive wherever it is going to be deployed. For example, it's a sidebar 300 by 250. Choose the ad type. Normally for GAM tags, AdSense, or Ad Exchange tags, we choose plain text and code. And then on the box here is where you paste the tag. And then specify the size of the tag you are deploying. This is completely optional. Now, you can also specify the position if it's going to be centered and all other stuff in here, but are completely optional. The very important part here is the display conditions. Remember, the purpose here is to target the test page. We're not deploying across all pages of the site, so we don't mess with the production site. So under new condition here, you have to choose specific pages, click add, and now you have an option whether to target or to exclude. So if you are to exclude a page, you choose is not, and then you put the title or the ID here. But if you are targeting a page, then of course you choose is. For those of you wondering if in case, I have to deploy a Google tag and I have a page here that has violations and I don't want my Google tag targeting that page, you can definitely use this option. All right, now for targeting, you choose specific pages and then is for the selector. And for the title or ID, where do we get that? Let's say I go to my website and I decided, okay, this is the URL or page that I want to use as a test page. You can go ahead, right click and view page source. You can find the ID of that page, Control F, and look for the opening body tag. And you're going to see post ID. Like this, you can grab the number, back to WordPress, you can paste the ID in here, and it's able to track or identify that, and then you can just click it. What about the title? You can also use the title. You can just copy this, back to WordPress, and paste the title. Wait for it to load, and again, choose the page you're trying to target. Once selected, it's going to appear like that. Then you can add more if you wish to. You can also add new condition and also visitor conditions if necessary. Once you're done, you can go ahead and assign it to a group if you have already created one, and then just click on publish. In Advanced Ads, once you publish the ad but you have not assigned a placement for it, then it will not show up on the page yet. So at this stage, you have to select where do you want it to show up on your site. Your ad is live. In this case, because I chose the sidebar, then I will have to drag depending on where I want it to show up on my sidebar here. And of course, I will choose that ad that I just configured, and then I'll click on save. Then go ahead and do the same for the rest of the tags you would like to test. And once you're ready to deploy it across all pages of the site, all you need to do is go back to that ad and remove the conditions that you have set and click on update.
That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.